I promised myself I wouldn't cry. This isn't a goodbye. It's a see you later. Whoa! This must be my lucky day! My very own doll! Wow! She's so pretty! You look amazing. So stylish and glamorous. Oh, hey! Oh my gosh, what happened to your doll? She's having a bad hair day. What was that? A doll makeover? Now that's pretty convenient. I saw it first. This is so cool. Stay out of my way, or else. Me? You heard her, lady. What is going on? This is so exciting! Wait, what's that smell? Whoa! It stings the nostrils! Make yourself comfortable. Ahem. Now that's what you call service. You almost smell as bad as me. We need to clean you up. You look awful. No offense. Ew, look at that. It's so gross. This might take a while, but don't worry. You'll look like a new doll. You have heard of personal hygiene, right? What was that? Ah! Make it stop! There's so much dirt! This is hard work. It's time to bring out the big boys. This won't hurt much. Ooh, I'm gonna throw up. I wanted a side of fries, not dirty Q-tips! You're looking good. Ugh, but you still stink. What are we gonna do about it? Wait a second. I can use that box. I've got a great idea. Cool! A free light show! Is this supposed to happen? This is just what we need. Your very own shower! What more could you ask for? What are you waiting for? Get in there! I don't think I can take the stench anymore. I always like some music in the shower. Ooh, I like this one. Ugh, are they gone? Oh no, my doll! This is a disaster! Your makeup is smudged. We can't have this. We need to think about our reputations. I know. This might do the trick. It's a little basic for our needs, though. I'll dab gold paint on the outside. I'm using a sponge rather than a brush. It just gives it texture. I'll do this all the way around the container. Then I'll stick these little decorative feet to it. But I'm not finished yet. It needs a little more. I'll paint clear nail polish onto the top of the container. And then I'll sprinkle gold glitter over it. But it's gotta have some gemstones, right? Wow, this is gonna look amazing. I think it's ready. It's a tub fit for a queen. It's time for a relaxing soak. I know you're gonna love it. How's the water? I hope it's nice and warm. You know, maybe I should light some candles. It would really set the mood. But you look pretty happy. Ooh, ooh, la la la. I think that's long enough. You don't want to get wrinkled. Out you come. Is that coconut body wash I can smell? Good choice. There's still work to be done. There's so much gum in your hair. How can we fix this? How about a fresh new do? I'll cut the gum from your hair. Do you need that? Never mind. That's it! I think I got it all. Now I need to style it. But I don't have a brush. That won't do. No. Aha! It's perfect! I'll need to snip off a branch. I only need a little piece. I'll apply glue to one side. And then I'll attach toothpicks. Now I can brush your hair. It needs to be nice and straight. Does that feel good? It's working perfectly. You're gonna look like you just walked out of a salon. Your hair is nice and soft now. You're all dry now. But your hair! Yikes! I can't let anyone see you like this. It's okay. I have a brush right here. You're back to your glamorous self. Let's dye your hair up. Oops. Hey, do you mind? Oh, hold on. I can definitely use this. Wow! I can't let Brittany know. Look what I've got. It's gonna look amazing on you. I'll slip it into your hair. Oh, it's adorable. You can never go wrong with an accessory. This isn't going well. Let's try some color. Don't move. I don't want to mess this up. It's just like being in art class. I'm bad at that, too. There's only one thing for it. I need to cut it. Have you ever thought about a bob? Maybe I went too far. It was a lot harder than I thought. Ugh, that's it! I'm taking it all off. The bald look is in right now. Wow, your head is so shiny. What have I done? I need to fix it. Huh? I've got it! I'll need this ribbon. I only need a small strip. Then I'll grab a needle. I'll use it to pull the threads from the ribbon. Then I'll put it on some tape. Now I can stick it to my doll's head. I'll build up the layers. It's just like a wig. And it looks wonderful. It's so long and golden. Girl, you look amazing. I'll give the front a trim. I think we're done here. Wait, what are you looking at? Huh? Oh, I get it. I suppose he's pretty cute. You've got a type, huh? Wow, you're infatuated. And I think he likes you too. You can't go out wearing this. We need to find you a new outfit. Come on. Sit right there. What do you think of this?
No.
I'll try something else.
No.
These look nice.
No.
Wow, you're so particular. We've went through your entire wardrobe. There's no more clothes. You need to wear something. Wait, I have a great idea! I can use this material. Just wait there. I'll fold the fabric over, then make a cut in the corner. I want to keep it as straight as possible. I'll wrap it around your waist, and then add more layers. I'll tie it with a strip of gold ribbon. It's a stunning flowing dress! Wait until he sees this! You look so pretty! You can do this! Oh, it's so romantic. It's just like a fairy tale. Guys, this is a family show. I'll give you some privacy. He got you a gift? He's a keeper. Oh, this romance has made me sleepy. Get out of here. Why don't you sit down? Who are those dolls? What do they say? Leave her alone! Stop laughing! Dolls can be so cruel. Just ignore them. But we do need to change these clothes. I know. I hope you like magic. This will be my best trick ever. I'm going to transform a garbage bag into a chic dress. What do you think? I agree. It's amazing. Everyone needs a little black dress. That showed them. I'm so happy I could help. Whoa! Look at the dresses! Aw, that's so kind. And using a garbage bag? I have one of my own. Open wide. It's important to stay hydrated. We'll keep this for later. But where can it go? Nope, that's not gonna work. Can you hold it? We need to think about this. Just give me some time. Whoa! Are you seeing this? Wait, what are you doing? Oh no you don't! Gotcha! What are you doing? I just need a small piece of this cloth. Ew, your nails! Yuck! Keep it! It's not that big a deal. They are pretty dirty. I'll clean them later. I have more important things to do. I'll place the cloth on this table. Then I'll cut out a small square. I'll fold it over. Just like this. Now I'll place string on it. Now I'll stick it together. Wow! A designer handbag! It can hold all your things. Like your bottle of water. Try it out! Wait a second. We need to get you a bag. Let's have a look. There might be something in my bag. None of this'll do. Hang on. What's this? I forgot I had a toothbrush in here. I'm not using it for my teeth, though. I'll apply glue over the case. That should be enough. I have a bowl full of decorative beads. I'll dip the case into them. I'll spin it around. I want to make sure it's coated. I can remove the toothbrush now. It makes a little clutch bag. It's just what my doll needs. It really complements your dress. I'm so happy with it. We should totally hit the town. Brittany seems so nice. We could be besties. Oh my gosh! Are those for me? I need to make that happen! I'll need some gifts first. Oh, what's that? Ugh, it's empty. I'll have to find something else. What's in here? Ugh, I don't think this is Brittany's thing. Moving on. I need to keep my eyes peeled. Ooh, maybe she'll like flowers. I'll take that. I'll make a beautiful bouquet. I'll put the flowers together. I'll wrap a string around it. And add a bow. Aw, it's so pretty. I hope she likes it. Go on, give it to them. Brittany? What is it? I have something for you. Here you go. For me? I'll be right back. Bud? I need to find something. None of this'll do. Ooh, a necklace. But I need something else. Ah, a tiger! I think this might work. It's worth a try. I'll need to transform it into something special. Nah, not a dinosaur. Ugh, a scorpion. Now that's more like it. I'll add some color to it. I'll use black paint to add spots. Then I'll dab yellow paint on top of them. This is gonna be awesome. Now I need the necklace. I'll place it around the neck. Wow, look at that! That's one expensive kitty! It's amazing! Aw, Kendall looks so sad. Let's cheer her up. Hey, Kendall!
What?
This is for you! I hope it's okay. Wow! No one's ever given me a gift before! Take these flowers! Oh, it's the thought that counts. Give me a hug! A makeover can change your appearance and your mood, even if you're a doll. We all love being pampered. What's your best makeover tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.